It's the Vegan Fooder, and we back in London, Ontario, Canada, and today we at Vaka Chocolate. So by the time y'all seeing this, Vaka will be closed. They'll still have the same location, just different offerings. I'm not sure what they're gonna offer yet, but right now we're here to talk about Vaka's ice cream and chocolate. So I was lucky enough to get the very last half-liter of raspberry cheesecake that Vaka made before they closed. I'm gonna check this out when we get home. I ain't even gonna pop the top. I also picked up 2 chocolate bars. This one is a Cacao Origins bar from Colombia, Marumbai? It's from Colombia. And this one is soda bread and sea salt. And I also got the last 2 bonbons they made as well. You know, we grabbing the last. You leaving, we grabbing the last thing. Then finally, we got a scoop of sponge toffee ice cream. Let's see what this talking about. I got a single scoop in a cup because that cone gonna be crazy, right? Pretty fucking impressive ice cream. Some kind of coconut base in here or something. Very good ice cream. Man. Smooth, creamy. Big chunks of shit in there. Yeah, boy. I don't know what the deal is, but this shit good. Bonbon. It looked like a little chocolate covered cherry. That's not what it is though. What? It's like a salted caramel, toffee, brownie, peanut butter, chocolate cup. That's kind of fucking crazy. You ready? I want you to see what I tasted. Look at that. I told you. Multiple layers in there. I knew something was going on. Boy, that's good as fuck. I don't know what the deal is. If I was up here, I'd be eating this ice cream. I've heard of other places. I don't know why I ain't never heard of Vaka's. Shit's crazy. Now, before we get out of here, we're gonna try this Origin bar. Origin chocolate bar, right? It says, this is the Origin, Cacao Origins from Colombia, right? It said notes of caramel, sweetgrass, and stone fruit. Yo, and they make this here? Oh my God. It's like a present. Chocolate from Colombia. Let's go. Very, very smooth. Caramel, sweetgrass, and stone fruit. I don't know what sweetgrass tastes like. I don't know what stone fruit tastes like. But the caramel, I see that. Cacao Origins, Marumbai, Colombia. It's a smooth chocolate. All right, man. Vegan Food Reviews, Vaka Chocolate. London, Ontario, Canada. By the time you see this, they won't be here anymore. But shit's amazing. I hope y'all got a chance to check it out. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.